Real talk. If you're not tracking your leads, you're leaving money on the table every single day. Are you losing track of leads? I've been there. Today, I'm sharing my sales success tracker. This system helps me stay on top of follow-ups, track conversions, and actually close more sales than letting opportunities slip through the cracks. Hello, and welcome to a video tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to use the sales success tracker. I'm DupeRAleru, and let's go ahead and jump right in. So first things first is you want to go ahead and click on File and make a copy. This is how you get your copy of your sales success tracker. You're going to rename it and save it to your drive. Here's how to use the tracker. The first column is going to be the lead name. You're going to go ahead and place the lead's name here. You're going to go ahead and fill in their email address. If you have this information, no worries if you do not. The phone number, again, this is optional, but it's very important to try to get as much information on your lead as possible. And then where did they contact you from? Was it the DM? Did they contact you through another source, a networking event? And then did they contact you via email? You're going to go ahead and now look at the lead source. So did that source come from social media? Was it a networking event? Was it a referral or your website? And then what is the priority of that lead? Is this a high priority? Can you tell that this person is really interested in your products and services? A medium priority or a low priority, you want to make note of that. And then what's very important is you want to notate the follow-up date. A lot of times when I talk to my leads, I ask them, when can I hear back from you? A lot of times it's by the end of the week. So I'm going to go ahead and notate the end of the week to follow up with that lead. You also want to notate the lead status. Did you win that lead? Did you already follow up with that lead? Is it a new lead or did you lose the lead? And then you want to go ahead and notate the revenue potential and then add any notes here. Now, this is very important to keep track of all your leads that are coming in. And what's going to happen is you can see everything in the dashboard section of your total leads here. So I filled out 3 leads and I see here that it totals the 3 leads here. It also calculates the percentage of new leads that come in. How many contacted is 0, how many I followed up with, and how many I won. And then it also totals the total revenue potential of those leads. This is very great for you to kind of see how much revenue potential you can possibly earn. And it's going to be a motivator for you to come into this category and follow up with your leads. This is a very seamless, easy way to keep track of your leads. That way you can bring in more sales to your business. If you have any questions, be sure to DM me, shoot me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Until next time, I'll see you in the next. If this tracker is exactly what you need, I've linked it in the description so that you can grab it and start using it today. And if you are now building systems for your business, go ahead and watch the full Google Sheets Trackers for Entrepreneurs playlist. There is a tracker for every part of your business. I'll see you in the next one.